What's going on, everyone? Sebastian here from Crypto News. Today I have a really hot altcoin that I think has some insane potential for the future. This cryptocurrency project has already built a platform that allows people to turn their Instagram content into valuable NFTs that they can then monetize on their marketplace. So this cryptocurrency has already established itself as one of the first cryptocurrency projects that allows everybody to create NFTs from their Instagram content. So what I think drives utility in a cryptocurrency, if you ask me, I'll tell you that it's utility. I think utility is so important because if you don't have utility built into your cryptocurrency, and if just everybody cannot use it easily or effectively, then it really is going to be a hype type of token. So I really like when I find cryptocurrency projects that have the best of both hype and utility. And to demonstrate what I mean, in this video, I'm going to show you how this token already passed its goal by 67,000% on its initial DEX offering. So when they offered their token to decentralized exchanges for the first time and used launch platforms, they were overbought by 67,000%. That is an insane number that to me just shows how many people were bullish about this cryptocurrency project and who were just so excited to be part of it at the very beginning. So if you love NFTs, you love the metaverse, and you love everything in between, then you're going to love this video. So stay tuned because we're going to get into some really juicy details about a cryptocurrency that I think has some insane potential based on its market cap, its utility, its fan base. I mean, everything is going right for this project, and it's still under the hood in most cryptocurrency networks. Not a lot of people know about it yet, which indicates to me that I found something gold and has some insane potential because value doesn't derive from a popular project. It derives from seeing a popular project before it gets, well, trendy and popular. Now, remember, this video is not investment advice, so do not go out and buy this token thinking I'm advising that you do that. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm simply relaying information that I find in my own cryptocurrency research that I think is interesting, and I like to share this with other people as educational content only. So that's what this video is. It's educational content. Please do your own research anytime you invest in cryptocurrency or any other digital asset. And I am giving away a Ledger Nano hardware wallet. So if you want a chance to win a Ledger Nano hardware wallet, then just drop me that comment below and you'll now have a chance to win a free Ledger Nano hardware wallet. And if this is your first time watching one of my YouTube videos, my name is Sebastian. I deliver daily content about cryptocurrency. So if that's something that interests you, then smash that subscribe button and turn on your notification bells. That way, as I release more videos like this, you'll get notified. So when it comes to investing in NFTs, I think I found a project that has some extreme, and I mean extreme, bullish potential simply because of the audience they're tackling. Everybody. So when it comes to NFTs, we all know the hype is real, but I think only few players are going to stand as we continue to develop the NFT marketplace because simply utility was much better. Now, I'm looking for crypto projects that have insane utility because that to me is what's going to drive the value further as all the hype dies down. Utility, in my opinion, is one of the primary reasons I personally invest in cryptocurrency because people are actually using the protocol. And in the world of NFTs, I think I found a hidden gem that is still extremely undervalued and has some insane upside potential simply because of the utility of the protocol. So what is Clout.Art? So just to get into Clout.Art, I've been following them for a couple months now, and I had just been waiting, and I mean waiting for them to release their platform to allow basically anybody to turn their Instagram content into an NFT. So people can actually use a tool to begin turning their Instagram posts into valuable NFTs and then using the Clout marketplace to then sell those NFTs. So let's even just examine how their marketplace is set up. I think it's so beautifully designed because of how easy it is to use. Now, what I really love about Clout.Art is the usability of the platform itself. Now they enable anyone in the entire world to create an NFT simply by using their Instagram post, and they make the entire process extremely easy, step by step. They hold your hand. It's a very easy system for anyone now to create an NFT, and their marketplace is already gaining a lot of traction. I mean, I just want to show you what some of the people who are listing their NFTs on the Clout marketplace are listing them for, and these are just Instagram posts that people have. People are selling their most popular Instagram posts on the marketplace because now they have a means to do so in an extremely easy fashion. I mean, if we just look at some of these posts, I know they attracted K Smith215. I don't know if he's related to Will Smith in some capacity. I haven't done too much research on that specific NFT, but who knows, that might be one of Will Smith's relatives and they're using the NFT platform. So that can be an extremely bullish signal for Clout.Art in my opinion. Now, in addition to that, they allow their users to have auctions. And I think that's really important because if you're going to list an NFT and you don't know how to price your NFT, well, why not start off with an auction first, see what the market is willing to pay for your NFT. So that way, as you begin to list more NFTs, you can maybe now charge a flat rate or continue to build the auction. It's up to you. But now with the auction first, I think you'll be able to get a gauge on what your potential NFTs can sell for. Now, I know they're constantly working on bringing new platforms. Right now, they have started just with Instagram, but I can't wait till they begin doing Twitter and all the other social media platforms. I think this project has some insane potential, and their native cryptocurrency Sway holds governance rights and it's going to continually be decentralized. So that's the goal of the project, is to eventually be fully decentralized and have the Sway token holders govern the future of the project. Now, I also think the Clout.Art story is just fascinating to read. I mean, if you just read how they started and how the market responded to their initial DEX offering, it was insane how much attention and how popular their offering got over everyone else's. I mean, if you just read this, you can just see how blown away they were by the response from the community. It says, our original goal was 50,000 USDT. In just 24 hours, more than 13,000 contributors pledged an outstanding 33,642,000 USDT. We beat our target by more than 67,000%. That is some wild stuff. I mean, they surpassed their goal by 67,000%. That's almost so hard to wrap your head around of how much attention their project got before the token was even released. And that was just their first launch. Now, their second launch was a public flash sale on Mantra DAO's Zendit launchpad, filling 100% of the available pool ahead of releasing the token on the QuickSwap DEX. So before the token was even released on the DEX on their second launch, it was already completely sold out. Now, either this project is a wizard at marketing, or they're literally offering something that the world cannot wait to get their hands on. They're offering something that everyone in cryptocurrency and everyone in the world, basically influencers alike, are waiting for, a platform just like Clout.Art to release tools that allow people, just the everyday person, to begin creating NFTs from their valuable social media posts. Now, I know there are a lot of NFT platforms in the works and some are already live, but very few give people the ability to actually create NFTs right away from their Instagram content. Now, a lot of the NFT projects that I've been researching have so far been focusing on influencers that already have a large reach. They're only allowing them to create NFTs first before they really open it up and create their marketplace. Now, who knows if that's a good thing or not, but what I really like is that this platform is available to everyone to begin using. So it doesn't matter if you have 1 million followers or 200 followers on Instagram, you'll be able to create NFTs and use their platform to sell your NFT content. So I think it's really cool. In my opinion, I was looking for a platform that opened this up to everybody, because if you just focus on a tight, narrow market, you really limit the upside potential because the everyday person simply can't use it. And if the everyday person can use it, who's not, a popular influencer already, then that's what's really going to drive the utility of your cryptocurrency up, because just more people are trading it because they are using it. Now, Clout.Art is working on a ton of things that are really going to empower their users. I know they're offering a staking mechanism, so people will be able to stake their tokens with their favorite influencers, and both individuals will begin earning a yield. I think that's fascinating. That dual yield mechanism and staking with your favorite content creator, I think is going to be a fascinating thing to see once it officially goes live. So this is just beginning for Clout.Art. I think when you're looking at this from an investment point of view, you always want to get in on something when it's still fresh, but it has a lot of upside potential. Now, what I also really like about Clout.Art, their Sway token and the platform itself, is leveraging the Polygon network, also known as Matic, which brings fees at extremely low cost. I mean, the fees are practically zero to use the platform, where other NFT platforms that are primarily based on Ethereum, users still have to pay those high absorbent fees, really making it hard for everyone to get into NFTs. So because they built it on the Matic network, I think that's an extremely bullish sign, just because the fees are not going to stop users from using the platform. When you can remove that friction point, I think the future is extremely bullish for that cryptocurrency. Now, if you want to dive into more research research about the tokenomics of this project, then go to Sway on CoinGecko. Just type in Sway Social Protocol, and you'll be able to see their tokenomics. I'm not going to get into it on this video, but if you wanted to do a deeper dive on Sway as an investment opportunity, then I encourage you to check it out on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Just type in Sway and you'll find all the data that you need. Their social media presence is also really fascinating to watch. I mean, the project hasn't been around very long, and they're already almost at 40,000 followers on Twitter. And I know on Telegram, they're also around that similar number. So they have a lot of followers already on Twitter and Telegram, which makes getting distribution out as it continues to grow much easier because there's just more people following the project. So I really like that their social media presence is good. They're growing every single day, which just gives me more peace of mind when I'm looking at cryptocurrency. I don't like looking at obscure cryptocurrencies that don't have a following at all on social media. I want to know that you're putting content out there and people are resonating with that content. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found some really hardcore value in this project. I found it fascinating when I first came across it. Just the things they're offering for users to already begin monetizing their most valuable pieces of content through Instagram is extremely powerful. I mean, a lot of companies are already soaring into the metaverse, NFT verse, the verses basically you can think of, and they're really going to need a platform to really propel this to the next level. So I think projects like Clout.Art offering their Sway token are really going to take NFTs to the next level because the average person, the everyday person can begin using the platform and monetize their content if they like. They can sell it for $1 if they want, but now that they have a chance to, I think is really important. It's not just for people who already have a huge following, it's just for everyone who can now begin monetizing their content, and I think that's really powerful for the NFT space. So I encourage you to check out the Clout.Art platform. Share your thoughts in the comments if you've already checked it out. Let me know what you think. If you're bullish on it, what you like, maybe what you don't like. Let's get a conversation going. I'd really be interested in hearing on what you think this can do for the NFT market and for everyone in general who invests in cryptocurrency. And if you found this video resourceful, do not forget to smash that like button. It helps support this channel and get the word out to more cryptocurrency users. Well, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all on tomorrow's video.